We're gonna learn in this video how you can use the Firefox extensions on iPhone. Go to App Store and we're gonna install this application here on the iPhone, that is Orion browser by Kagi. Once you have installed this application, just tap on open. Now in order to enable the Firefox extensions on this browser, tap on these three dots inside the circle at the top right side. Scroll down, go to settings, scroll down once again, come to advanced option, and it has got three options here. Make sure that you enable this Firefox extensions option. Enable this and tap on done. Once you do that, we're going to go to one website, that is addons.mozilla.org. We've got the Firefox extensions here. Click on any one that you want to install. For example, this one, Privacy Badger. It shows here there's the option to download Firefox and get the extension, but if you zoom in here, we have got another option, that is download file. Tap on download file. Once the file is downloaded, you'll get the option to add. Click on add, and thus the extension has been added. If you zoom out and then tap on the three dots at the top right side, you'll get the Privacy Badger new extension. Tap here and you can use it just like Chrome. So that's how you can install and use the Firefox extensions in iPhone. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.